Yes, very, very good afternoon. Are you able to hear me? I am not able to hear anyone. Why is like that?
Yes, sir.
So nobody is speaking.
Hear you, sir.
Shlok, good morning, good afternoon, Nithila, Pujit, Mansi, Saksham, Tanishka, Asta, and Suki. Okay, still not everyone joined. Still a lot of people have to join. Lot of. Why? Where is Zen? Where is M1, M2? There are so many people. Let's start, but okay. Guys, before I forget, today is Friday. So Saturday, Sunday, holiday. Our next class will be on Monday. Okay. Note down, next class will be on Monday. Fine. First, we'll talk about homework. Has everyone completed the homework? Nithila, homework is done? Good. So now let me share what was the homework of. Wait. Homework was elementary maths 2. These are the homework, right? Let's write the answers. Tell me, everybody. We'll go one by one. Okay, everybody else. Tell me, Nithila, what is the answer for question number 1?
11,
Write all prime number between 11 and 30. 11.
11, 13,
Correct.
17, 19, 23, 29. That's all.
23 and 29. Correct. Everybody got the same? It should be exactly same, guys. Okay? Question number 1. That is the answer. I have to remove this. No space. Good. Shlok. Question number 2. Composite number between 20 and 40. Shlok. Shlok, you are not there. Unmute. Okay, Suki, you will tell me. What happened, guys? Audio. You are able to hear me, right?
Can I tell?
Okay, Saksham, tell.
20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26,
Correct.
28,
What about
30.
27?
I told sir.
Okay, slowly. 27, 28, then
30,
correct.
32,
Correct. Correct.
35,
Correct.
36, 38,
38.
39.
39 also is there, and 40. Everybody got the same answer? Composite number between 20 and 50 is this. 20 and 40 is this. Now, question number 3. Tanishka, unmute. Write all two-digit prime numbers ending with digit 1. Tell me.
11,
11,
31,
31, 41,
61,
61,
71, 91.
71 and 91. Nothing else. Got everybody? These are the only prime numbers ending with 1. Check your answers. Ask me if you feel difficulty. This is question number 3. Question number 4 to 7, true or false. Give examples. Let's see. Question number 4. Shlok, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Question number 4. True or false?
True or false? Give
Sum of two prime numbers can never be
can never be a prime number.
True or false?
True.
It can never be prime number. It can be 2 plus 3 equal to 5, right?
Yes.
So it is a false.
False.
Because it can be. Got everybody? False. Example is this. You can put any example, but question number 5. Question number 5, Suki, unmute. Suki, are you able to hear me? Yes. Looks like Suki, your audio not working today. Okay. Maitreya, unmute and tell me. Question number 5 answer.
False.
Product of two component number can be a prime number. False. Why?
So
Because if it is composite number, it will always have factors, right?
so you have to write the example also.
Correct. Any example?
Okay.
Say 4 into 6, 20. It will always be a composite number only, correct? It
Yes.
can never be prime.
Sir, 24, not 20. It's 24.
24, correct. What happened to my maths? Question number 6. Sum of, okay, let me first find out who will do. Question. Everybody mute yourself. Only the person whom I asked should be unmuted. Mudit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Mudit, tell me answer for question number 6.
Question number.
Sum of a prime number and composite number can be prime.
No. This is true.
Example.
11 plus 8 is equal to 19.
Good. See, that is superb. True. 11 plus 8, 19. Prime number can happen. Good. Question number 7. Zain. Okay, Zain is still connecting it. Argya, your audio working? Argya, unmute. Check Argya, your audio working or not? Tapan, your audio?
Sir, can I say
Who is?
Tanish Suki, sir?
Suki. Okay, Suki. Question number 7. Tell me.
Sir, it's true, sir.
Difference of two component number can never be prime. It
Sir,
can never.
false, sir.
True or false?
False.
Give me example.
Sir, 5 minus 3 is 2.
So it is possible. That's why it is false. Because if you say one prime, another prime, it can still give you prime number.
2.
So it is false. So everybody checking it. Question 7th is this. Question number 8. Thank you, Suki. Zen, question number 8.
Sir, no, sir, because 12 is divisible by 6 and 2 also.
12 is divisible by 6, 12. But what is the pair? 12 and 17 co-prime or not?
No, sir.
It is co-prime. What is common between them?
1.
Except one, any other common is there? No. Yes, 12 and 7 are co-prime. Right, Zen? What is co-prime? Co-prime means there is nothing common because one is because common factor between them is only one. Any other common factor there?
No, sir.
So it is a co-prime, correct?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Good. Question, I understand question number 7. Tanishka, what was question number 7, Tanishka?
So difference of two composites can never be a prime, yes.
Two
So but
composite
5 and 3 are prime numbers.
Okay, take some composite number.
20 minus.
Say 15 minus 12 is 3, right? 15 is a composite number.
Yeah.
12 is composite number.
Yes, sir.
Difference still a prime, right?
Yeah.
So it's false. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Perfect. 6th is done. 7th is done. 8th is done. Question number 9. Is 79 a prime number? Asta, how will we do this? Everybody mute, please. Only one person who is asking should be unmuted. Everybody mute, please. Asta.
I will check that it is divisible by some number or not.
Correct. So, is 79 divisible by any other number?
No, sir.
No. So, yes, 79 is a prime number. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So, guys, we'll talk about today how to find prime numbers. But main thing is 79 is not divisible by any other number. So, that's why. Thank you. Mute. What? Mudit, what is a co-prime? Yesterday we talked so much about co-prime. What is the co-prime numbers, Mudit?
Sir, I thought you meant to say that co-primes are numbers which have only one.
Co-primes are the pair of numbers, not a single number. 12 and 17 is a pair of numbers.
I still do not understand.
I'll explain on whiteboard. What are the factors of 12? We'll do 12 factors, you'll understand, okay? After
So
this, we'll go on whiteboard.
1, 2,
Wait. Change your name there. I still see the Govind. So, Mudit, what it means? Mudit, I'll explain whiteboard, okay?
Okay, sir.
Fine. Who is shouting? So, question 8 is done, question 9 is done. Question 10. Write a pair of 3 co-prime numbers using digits 1, 3, 4, 5 only. Everybody write on chat. I want to see how many of you can put right. Question number 10th answer. You solve the homework, right? Right. Pair of 3 co-prime numbers using digit 1, 3, 4, 5 only. So 13 and 31 is correct. And what else? Saksham, why 3 numbers? Co-prime is a pair of 2 numbers only. Okay, Saksham? 31 and 41 is correct. Mudit, correct. What else? It can also be 13 and 15, right? It can also be 14 and 15. There is nothing common. It can also be 3 and 5. So many examples are there. We'll do more on this today. Yeah, there are so many. So we'll talk about this today. Okay, now. So this is what question number 10. What is co-prime? Now, before we explain new topic, let's find out the factors. Because factor will decide how to find co-prime. Okay, everybody? So any doubt in homework except the co-prime? We'll do co-prime now. But any doubt, anyone? These are the 10 question answers. Good. Mudit. Mudit, rename. No doubt. Now, before we move on to other thing, it's important to understand what are factors. Because factor will help you a lot in lot of different questions. Factors of numbers. Mute. Why so much noise? I have to mute everybody. No problem, Arghya. So everybody unmuted now. Today we learn factorization, and there co-prime also will come, and then square roots, cube roots will come. Factorization. Factorization means finding prime factors. For example, if question say factorize 8, it means you have to find factors of 8. So see the method, everybody. Don't worry about answer again. See the method. Okay, everybody. I'm going to do 3 questions. Then you ask me doubt. So factors of 8. So write 8 here. Put a line. Put like this kind of book. Everybody do in notebook. Put box like this. Line this like this. Okay. Now, we all will start with the smallest prime number. What is smallest prime number? 2. Start with 2. 8 can be divided by 2? Yes. So 2 4s are 8. It's okay, Mudit. So 2 4s are 8. Guys, if you know it, that's okay. No need to mention here. Okay, focus only what I'm doing. 2 4s are 8. Objective is to divide this number with 2. We divided, we got 4. Again check. 4 can be divided by 2? Yes. Divide by 2. We get 2. Again check. 2 can be divided by 2? Yes. You get 1. So finally you should reach always 1. Always 1. First divide by 2 till you keep dividing by 2. If not possible, then divide by 3. Then divide by 5. Only prime numbers. So the factors are these 3. You can say factors of 8 are 2 into 2 into 2. These are the factors of 8. The factors of 8 are 2 into 2 into 8. 2 into 2 into 2. If I ask you factorize, find prime factors of 12. So what we'll do? First we'll write 12. Put a line. Start. I'm just putting some rough lines. First check with 2. Yes, 12 is divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12. Again check 6 divisible by 2. Yes. 2 3 are 6. Now 3. Can 3 divisible by 2? No. So now you check with 3. 3 divisible by 3. Yes, 1. Stop. Because we get 1. Stop. So factors are 2 into 2 into 3. So factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3. Got it? We'll do one more. And after that, I'll explain you co-prime just again. Suppose if we say find factors of 20. Very easy. Write 20 first. Start with smallest prime number 2. 20 divided by 2, we get 10. Shlok, just focus on this question, you will get it. See, 20 is the number. First check, is divisible by 2 or not. Then check with 3, then check with 5, then check with 7. It's always check only with prime numbers. So don't worry, first see the 20. Can we divide 20 by 2? Yes. So divide 20 by 2. 2 10s are 20. We got 10. Now check 10. Is 10 divisible by 2? We already learned the divisibility rules, guys. So 10 is divisible by 2. Correct. So 2 5s are 10. You got 5. Is 5 divisible by 2? No. Is 5 divisible by 3? No. Is 5 divisible by 5? Yes. So what we get? This. Factors are 2, 2 and 5. So factors are 2 into 2 into 5. Okay. I'll give one last example. It's all about how you factorize. Keep dividing. You have to just divide the number slope. Try one more. Factorize. Say 30. What we'll do, we'll write 30 first. Then put so many lines so that it. Shlok, unmute. I want to make sure everybody understands. Very Shlok. Yes, Shlok. Please unmute Shlok. Shlok, which is the smallest prime number?
Huh? Which is
Smallest prime number.
smallest prime number? Smallest prime number is 2.
2, correct? We will start with 2. Is 30 divisible by 2 or not?
Yes.
We'll divide by 2. How much is 30 divided by 2?
15.
No, is 15 divisible by 2?
No.
So then we check with the 3. Next prime number, 3. 15 divisible by 3?
Yes.
How much?
5.
5. So see, I am writing 3 here. We divide.
It's
Is
not
5?
divisible by 3 or 2.
So we'll divide by 5 then. What we
That's
get?
1.
We stop
That's
here
1.
now. Correct?
Yes.
What are prime factors we got? 2, 3 and 5. 2 into 3 into 5. You can cross check also. Multiply 2 into 3 into 5. You get 30.
So that's 30.
We wanted 30, right?
2 into 3 into 5 is 30.
We wanted 30 or not?
Yes, sir, it's 30.
Understood now?
Yes, sir, now I understood.
Good. Is everyone clear? How to find prime factors? Tell me CC or doubt, because I am going to give a question to you now. Prime factors. So everybody do this. Find prime factors of 32. Solve everybody. Solve everybody, because I am going to explain to you to cove prime again. So first I want you to get prime factors. What are prime factors of 32? Yes, Tanishka, don't write in powers. Write in proper numbers, because we are not doing powers yet. Yes, you are right, Tanishka. But so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Everybody should try. So 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times. Everybody, Zen, Tapan, Argya, everyone, yes. Good. Everybody got it? Now, if the question is, no, somebody was asking, question is, sir, co-prime. If I say, is 9 and 10 co-prime? So, Mudit, first we'll do factors of 9. What are factors of 9? Tell me, everybody, what are factors of 9? Everybody write factors of 9. Correct, Mudit. Everybody, what are factors of 9? Same way how we did earlier. 3 into 3. Correct? Then write factors of 10. Everybody write factors of 10. Everybody write factors of 10. 2 into 5. Mudit, unmute now. Where is Mudit? Mudit, unmute now.
Yes, sir.
What are factors of 9?
9 is 3 into 3 and 10
What are factors of 10?
2 into 5.
Any common factor between them?
No.
No common factor means co-prime.
Then they are co-primes.
Correct, because no common factors.
Oh, okay.
No common factors, hence 9 and 10 are co-prime.
Oh, okay.
That's what I was saying. Only common between them is 1 only, nothing else.
Yes, sir.
One more example, everybody. If I change the question, if I say is 12 and 15 are co-prime, check. First write factor of 12. Write factor of 12, everybody. Everybody write factor of 12. But I want everyone to write first factor of 12 and then factor of 15 and tell me. Everybody write factors of 12. 2 into 2 into 3. Correct. Write factor of 15. Now, you will understand very clearly this 3, this 3 and this 3 is common. Correct? Since 3 is a common factor, 12 and 15 are not co-prime. Is absolutely clear now, everybody? What are co-prime numbers? Argya, Tapan, is it absolutely clear? If there is no common factor, co-prime. If there are any common factors apart from 1, it is. Because today I want to do square roots, cube roots after these factors. Factors are easy, right? Correct. So now, how to find square root? Say find square root of 16. So first what we'll do? We'll make factors of 16. Everybody tell me factor of 16. We learned the factorize, right? Tell me factors of 16, everyone. We learned the factors of 16, right? Factorization. Everybody find factors of 16. Everybody try. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It's a very interesting game. Factor of 16 are 2 into 2. Lord, listen carefully. If you have to find square root, make a pair of two numbers. Same number, pair it. Pair the same number, not the different. So 2 and 2, 1 pair. 2 and 2, 1 pair. So take one number from the pair. Take one number from the pair and multiply. How much we got? 4. So 4 is the square root of 16. 4 is the square root of 16 because you pair the numbers, take one number from each pair. So we got 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. We first made the pair of these two, pair of these two. Then from each pair I took one number, 2, one number 2 and multiply. So 4. So square root of 16 is 4. You can say square root of 16 is 4. That's it. One more example. Find square root of 36. Everybody write factor of 36, please. Everybody write factors of 36, please. Then I'll explain that. Wait. Factors of 36, everybody write please. Everyone, not few. So factors of 36 are 2 into 2, 4, into 3, 12, into 3, 36. Everybody got 2, 2, 3, 3. Now, as I said, pair of the same number, pair of 2, pair of 3. So, take one number from here, take one number from here. So, 2 into 3, 6. The square root of 36 is 6. So easy. The square root of 36 is 6. Understood everybody? So now solve a question. Find square root of 64. Everyone. Good, Tanishka. See, like you should write like Tanishka. Tanishka wrote for the factors, then she wrote the comma, then she wrote the square root. You should write like this. Factors of 64 are 2 into 2 into 2. These are the factors of 64 and pair. So we got 2 into 2 into 2. So 8 is the square root of so easy. Now I'll also tell you how to check if given number is perfect square or not. And actually, what is the meaning? Let's do one check if 30 is a perfect square or not. Everybody, tell me factors of 30, please. Everybody tell me factors of 30. Same method. Factors of 30, please. M1, I don't want answer. I want factors. Nithila, you are right. Previous question. Factors of 30 are 2 into 3 into 5. No pairs can be formed. So, not a perfect square. If you cannot form a pairs or if any number is left out, we'll do that. Understood what I said? We cannot form a pairs. So, it is not a perfect square. Can you make any pairs here? No. So, not a perfect square. Let's do for 40. Because I want to explain a concept here. Can you write factors of 40, everybody? Factors of 40. Listen very carefully now. First, write the factors of 40. Good. Now listen carefully, everybody. Stop writing. Factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Very carefully, okay? First, you make a pair. 2 with 2. Pairs can be made only with the same numbers. 2 and 5 we cannot pair. So now what happened? 2 and 2 is done. 2, this cannot be paired. This cannot be paired. So since all the numbers cannot be paired, 40 is not a perfect square. So guys, the rule is if any number left out, see 2 and 5 left out, right? You cannot pair. Then it's not a perfect square. If all the numbers are paired, it's a perfect square. The rule is if it cannot be paired, it is not a perfect square. Clear? Such an easy way of doing. Just factorize and find whether we can pair all the numbers or not. And then you are asking what we can find square root of non-perfect square like 20, 30, 40. We can find, but different method is there, long division, that is higher class. Okay? It is possible, but in higher class, not today. Because that requires long division method. So, this is how. Now, I will explain one more thing. How to find cube root. Everything related. How to find cube root. Very easy. If I say find cube root of, say 27. Everybody write factors of 27. It's the same concept of factor everywhere. Make a factor of 27, everybody. Yes, everyone please. Factors of 27. Good. 3 into 3 into 3. So question is cube root. Cube means 3. So means make a pair of 3 numbers now. Not 2 numbers. In square root we pair 2 numbers. In cube we pair 3 numbers. This, all 3. And take 1 out of this. So 3. So cube root is 3. So in a square root you pair 2 numbers. In cube root you pair 3 numbers. That is the only difference. Pair the 3 numbers, take 1 number out of it. So cube root is 3. So simple. Cube root of 27 is 3. Let's try this. Find cube root of 64. So what you will do? You make factors of 64. What are factors of 64? M1, don't do 4, 4, 4. Do with 2 only. I want you to do prime factors. 4 is not a prime number. Mudit, this is okay, but this is not right way of doing, because when we get non-perfect cube, you will stuck. Make prime factors of 64. Everybody. 2 into 2, like that. Get everybody? Yes, Mudit. Yes, Nithila. Yes, Tanishka. Then yours. Where are others? Maitreya. Yes. Everyone. Asta, Nithila. Everyone. And Nithila is done. So Saksham, good. So we know how to make factors. Now cube root means what? You have to pair 3 numbers. So pair these 3. Then pair these 3. Pair 3 numbers. Take 1 number from each pair. 2 here, 2 here. So answer is 2 into 2, 4. Correct then. So very easy method, right? Once you know factor, everything is possible. Make a pair of 3 numbers and then take one number from each pair. We get the cube root of 64. Very easy. Argya, any question? If I say find cube root of 8, cube root of 8. Factors are 2 into 2 into 2, correct? Correct. Those are factors. What is cube root? Correct. For the cube root, make pair of 3 numbers. So cube root of 8 is 2 only. So simple. Right, Suki? Maitreya? If I ask you same way, is 32 a perfect cube? Check. What we'll do, we'll make factors of 32 first. Make factors of 32, please. Make factors of 32 and tell me factors of 32. We'll do a challenge then in a moment. Everyone, factors of 32. No, you know everybody, factors of 32. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Correct? Now, if you check perfect cube, what you are going to do? We are going to make pair of how many numbers? 3 numbers. One pair. Oh, this cannot be done because we need 3 numbers. This cannot be done. Right, Zen? It's not about 2 numbers, 3 numbers. So you cannot make full pairs. No, Maitreya. Why 2 into 16? We don't need 2 into 16. Is 30 perfect cube? Make pair of 3 numbers. Pair is done. This pair not possible because 1, 2 is missing. Not possible. So, no. Answer is no. It is not a perfect cube. You need complete pairs. We cannot make pair of these 2 because we need one more 2 which is not there. So, not a perfect cube. Shlok clear? Shlok, is it clear? What is perfect square, perfect cube, square root, cube root? Is everyone clear? Is everyone ready for the challenge? Challenge number 1. Is is 24 a perfect square? Shlok, don't do that. Perfect cube. Both perfect square? Neither. So is 24 a perfect square? Is 24 a perfect cube? Is 24 both perfect cube and perfect square? Or is 24 neither a perfect cube, neither a perfect square? Tell me who. Let's everybody find out. Is 24 a perfect square, a perfect cube? Shlok, what are you doing? Check everyone. Is 24 a perfect square or a perfect cube or both or none? M1 it is both perfect cube, perfect square. Maitreya says not a perfect cube. Okay. What about perfect square? Maitreya says neither. Mudit says both. How come both or neither? Neither. Mudit, check again. First we'll make, okay, Mudit also says neither, okay. First what we'll do, we'll make a factor of 24, correct? Factors of 24. Can somebody tell me factors of 24, please? Who has done it? Somebody tell me factors of 24, please. Nithila is telling me factors of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So let's talk to Nithila. Nithila, unmute.
Yes, sir.
So these are the factors, right?
Yes, sir.
So how will I check is it perfect square or not? What will I do?
First, we should take two,
Pair, done.
but we can make only one pair. If we can't make
These two
all,
cannot be paired. These three cannot be paired.
yes, sir.
So it is
not a perfect square.
It is not a perfect square. Listen, because 2 and 3 are left out. So I can say not a perfect square. Nithila, now we'll check for perfect cube. Wait, let me write again, okay?
Okay, sir.
So we have to check for perfect cube now. Let me write again. Factors of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Nithila, now what we'll do? We'll make pair. We have to check perfect cube. What we'll do now?
First, we will make
Pair of 3 numbers.
3 numbers.
But
But
this is
then there
left
is
out.
one digit extra. So it is
Again,
not.
not a perfect cube.
Yes, sir.
Not a perfect cube.
Okay.
Good. So answer is
Neither.
neither.
Yes, neither a perfect.
Neither a perfect cube, neither perfect square. Very good. Everybody got it? Let's try one more. Thank you, Nithila.
Thank you, sir.
Challenge number 2. Challenge number 2 is Maitreya, doubt. Ask me, Maitreya. You already said not a perfect square, perfect cube. Then why doubt again? Yes, ask me, Maitreya.
So, is there any shortcut to check if it's a perfect square or cube?
Shortcuts are this only. There is no shortcut to check because it is directly we have to know from 1 to 10.
Oh, okay.
But I can tell you one thing. I'll explain in a moment. But there are certain rules which says whether it's perfect. It can be perfect cube or not. I'll tell you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
There is something. So let's try one more. Is 81 a perfect square or perfect cube or neither or both? Check everybody. If a number if numbers last digit is if numbers last digit is 2, 3, 7, eight, it cannot be perfect square. That is what Maitreya we can do. If any number last digit is either 2, 3, 7 or 8, it cannot be perfect square. Okay, that is the tip. It does not mean that every number whose last digit is something else like 4, 5 are perfect square. No. So solve everybody this question. Is 81 a perfect square or perfect cube or what? Tanishka says perfect square but not perfect cube. Okay. What other says? What are factors of 3? Okay, Zain says perfect square but not perfect cube. Okay. Everybody solve, please. Okay. So factors of 81 are 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Correct? So first we'll check square. Square means we have to make pair of two numbers. Paired, paired, perfectly paired. So yes, perfect square is there. Then we'll make pair of three numbers. Oh, this left out. Not a perfect cube. So correct answer is perfect square, but not a perfect cube. The square root is nope, Jen, perfect. Jen, square root is not 6. You get 3 here, right? You get 3 here. So 3 into 3 is Jen, right? 9. The square root is 9. Shlok, perfect square and perfect cubes are those squares and cubes where you can find square root or cube root in an integer. Others, like you find square root of 20 or 30, not perfect square. You will not get proper integer. You will get some decimals, some bad numbers. Okay? Shlok, perfect square, perfect cubes are product of two same number. Like 4 into 4, 16. 16 is a perfect square. 9 into 9, 81. 81 is a perfect square. M1, I ask you doubt. Where are you? Let me unmute you again. Yes. Ask me, Mudit, now.
So you have said that if number's last digit is 2, 3, 7, 8, it cannot be a perfect square. What about 44?
I think you didn't listen what I said. I said if a number last digit is 2, 3, 7, 8, it cannot be perfect square. It does not mean that all the numbers with last digit other than this, like 1, 4, 5 are perfect square. No, I never said that. It's reverse. It does not mean that number ending with 4 is perfect square. It says number whose last digits are 2 or 3 or 7 or 8 cannot be perfect square. Okay? Understood, Mudit, or not? Mudit? It's like, that's why I was not asking for this, because this is like little different. Mudit, unmute. So when you say 44, it can be, cannot be. We have to check because it's 4.
Yes, sir, I understood. Actually, this is a doubt of mine and my father, who is sitting beside him.
No, that's a good doubt. But what I'm saying is, the math says like this. If number last digit is this, definitely not a perfect square.
Okay.
But if number ending with 1 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 9 or 0, they can be perfect square. Can be. Not sure, but can be. Like 44, not a perfect square. But 64, perfect square. So,
Yes, sir.
this can be, but this can never be. That's the point.
Okay, sir.
Perfect.
Understood.
Shlok, perfect square and cube understood?
Yes, sir.
Shlok?
So the
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
And perfect square and cube.
Perfect. So everybody note down the homework now. Yes, wait. This is the homework. Take a photo of this, guys. Everybody take a screenshot and ask me any question, anything you want to say. We are done. It's a very, very important topic for Olympiad as well as school maths as well as competitive exam. You have to be thorough about factors and any question, anyone? No. Good. So that's it. So tomorrow and Saturday and Sunday are holidays, you know. Next class is on Monday. Okay, everybody? Our next class is on Monday. So don't forget. Let me write to the chat also. Next class is on Monday. Bye bye everyone. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.